Hey guys, this is our very first e-bike review of the year. This is the Koolux BK6S4.0. It has 250 watts motor, 4x20 inches fat tire, and it is a three-fold bike. Before we get into this video, I want to say guys that Koolux is actively looking for business partners. If you are a distributor, a local dealer, or a fleet buyer, you can contact them via their official website or email address, which will be written in the description box down below and in the comment section as well.
Is it spring officially?
Yes.
It's spring. The weather is so good. And as you can see, we have already done our laundry and it's drying here. So we have that and this one. I feel so good. I feel so happy that now finally we can put our clothes out to dry. The sun is still up. It's around 3 p.m. right now. And we are going to explore this neighborhood. We're using this bike here. My love, do you mind introducing the bike to us?
No problem. This is the Koolux BK6. It's fat tire, as you can see. I already made a trial in the forest just to make sure that it is gripping on every terrain, and I tell you, it is.
How do you love it so far?
So far, it is exceeding my expectations.
This is the first time, no, actually the second time we are going out to explore the neighborhood. The last time we went, it was kind of dark and gray, so we didn't see it properly. But now we have a chance, like with the sunshine, with the good weather, we are going to see how this neighborhood looks like. And at the same time, we are going to review this Koolux bike. Is everything ready? We go out?
Yes.
Yes, all right.
Already, even my helmet is ready to shoot.
First and foremost, the weather is beautiful, the bike is beautiful, and you're handsome as well.
Thank you, my beauty.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
But now I'll be on my foot.
Are we on your?
I'll be on my foot while you're on your bike.
Oh, I have some space for you here.
Anyway, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
See you soon.
I am on foot following him, but as you can see guys, I really love this neighborhood. It's so silent. Actually, even right now I'm feeling uncomfortable speaking because I feel like everyone will hear what I'm saying, but it's so peaceful, it's so quiet, it's so clean. This is really nice. He's having too much fun. What's the name of the bike again?
Koolux BK6.
Koolux BK6. As you can see, it's riding very smoothly. And can I tell you something amazing, guys? We are 2 minutes away. Our house is 2 minutes away from... There's a car. We have a park literally 2 minutes away from our house. In our previous house, we had to walk 20 minutes to get to the nearest park.
Yeah.
And it was annoying. But here, you just step out and the park is there. Huge park. I think we should go do the specifications of the bike in the park, and then we can ride it on the road here.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. All right, guys, this is the park. And I'm telling you, it is massive. So behind those trees, it still extends to that side. Also behind these trees, the park extends to that side. It's massive. This is a really good place to ride a bike for fun, right?
Yes.
And you have actually cleaned the tires. They are clean now.
Yeah. This bike is very popular in the UK, especially because of the structure it built with and the fat tires. This is the best cargo bike, the best delivery bike that I have ever seen so far. And what I can say is that I don't spend more than 5 minutes without seeing one on the streets.
I think the reason why it's very, very popular is because, first of all, it is a 250 watts motor bike,
Yes,
e-bike.
that's right.
Bike, it's 250 watts.
Yes, that's right. The motor is 250 watts and it has a 7-gear Shimano transmission. This one is blessed with a good 4 inches 4x20.
Yeah, this
fat
is a
tire.
4x20 fat tire. Very good for many types of terrains.
Especially on this terrain, and even when it is muddy, trust me, it has a very good gripping. Basic thing is that it is foldable. It's a 3-fold bike, and luckily they sent us an Allen key set. So why is it important? Because it is so secured. Then if I remove this clip, it's not going to be opening. I have to unlock it down here, just a soft push, and then I can open it. Likewise to the up, I will show you in a second. So first this side, and then up in here. Show them please, from this side. Let me show this side. Sorry. So that is the pin that I need to press. First the clip, put it in this way so it will be loose, and the pin needs to be pressed against, and then it is unlocked. And now just fold it. And if it wasn't enough, even the pedals are foldable. Just a soft push and it's done. 3-fold. Koolux BK6. Tell me, where can you find a road legal bike with 250 watts motor with 20x4 fat tires, which is foldable in a very good price range? You don't have to search further because Koolux has that exact bike, the BK6 model. When you are looking for a bike, you really want to have something that has a very good seat, which is not hurting your bum when you are riding on an uneven terrain. For example, this one has a leather saddle and it is so comfortable, and on the top of that you see this here. This is the rear suspension and it is giving you very nice landing when you are jumping with the bike, when you are going uphill, downhill. All what you want to do with the bike, you are covered. It is very comfortable. There is a clip just below the saddle. Can you see?
Yes, we can see it
Yeah.
now.
So you lift it up and then you can turn the saddle only to access the battery. There is this button. If you press it, you can see the battery level, and ours is fully charged. The battery capacity is 48 volts, 13 ampere hour, and it is removable with the key. You see there is on, off. You push and press so it unlocks and full, and that is your battery. The handlebars have a very strong and good gripping. On the left side you can see there is a bell and the LED display. Let me turn it on so you can see what is on the screen. This is the speed what it can go with. That's the battery percentage, ODO, which is how many miles I have run, and this is the pedal assist function. It's on level 0. Now it is on low as 1, medium as 2, and high as 3. That's the maximum, and that is 15.5 miles per hour. On the right hand side you can see there is a 7-gear Shimano transmission, which is giving you sufficient speed, and you can change easily between the speeds. It's very smooth. with the brakes, when I'm braking, it's so responsive that it's almost immediate, almost instant braking. And then what I really like, the shock absorption comes in the picture when you are braking, because I brake with the rear and I then brake with the front, and that causes the shock absorption to come in the picture on the front with the front fork, and in the back as well below my seat, and it is making me having good comfort. Guys, I need to show you this part because of the uphill part, so you can see how smooth the climbing on this bike. Yeah, I need to come from a different point. I need to come from a different route because there is a biker climb. Yeah, I think if I get here is already good. I don't like this one. Maybe, no, I avoid this. You see, 25 degrees climb, and it is not holding back. It is so smooth. Now I'm going back and coming this way as well, so you can see. Let me go. The climbing skill of the bike, of the motor, just so good. See me going up without anything being forced, and then going down, and then the terrain, wow, it's just so comfortably good, very good. So now let's go back on this route again. Wow, you can hear the tires. Okay, let's a bit slower. Yeah, see me? Wow. Here is my hiker without a bike. You don't have 250 watts motor.
I don't have Koolux.
Okay, let's ride through this side. Sometimes I need to press on the brake. Wow, wow, look at that, wow, wow. Amazing. That's where we are, back to the civilization.
The sunset is due soon, so now we are going back.
It was an amazing ride. Overall, the Koolux BK6S4.0 brought me a very nice experience, especially in our new neighborhood. I love that it is so hilly, because the grips of the tires, the climbing skills of the motor is just all together giving you a very nice experience. And then on the road, when there is tarmac road, it is so smooth.
You have seen the reason why it's a very popular bike with the delivery guys.
Yes, I believe they love it because it's a very nice experience.
High performance.
Yes,
Smooth.
high performance, smooth, and high quality. Especially the high quality alloy aluminum frame is massive, but it's not too heavy. So when you feel like you want to take it off-road, just fold it, put it in your hood of your car, and just go. You can purchase this bike through the website, and we are going to insert the link down below.